Hey guys, Minnesota Oliver here, back in another video. I know I've gotten a lot of questions about the Howell Farms Work Farm Day, if I'm going or not. Well, I haven't got many, I've gotten at least 3. Yes, I'm going. I will be there, me and my dad will be going again. I know Wes, one lonely farmer, he plans to be there. I'll see him again, and Travis, Ryan, of course. See them again. Actually, I'm gonna grab it. I just need to get Ryan's signature on here. That happened right there will not be on there. Need to get Ryan's signature. That how be complete. You guys can come out and say hi to us. Me and my dad, we don't bite. Show me a long drive out there. Leave Friday morning. Spend the night in Black Hawk, Wisconsin. Drive to the farm day early Saturday morning. Spend the day there. Head back through Iowa. But how you guys know I'll be there is right here. This hat. This Nowland Threshing Show hat. This is a John Deere 630 LP. And also, look carefully enough if I can find it. The headboard's kind of full here. Look for someone holding this. Look for that hat or this. And my other hat as well. And the rest of the story mug, that's for Travis. Picture me and Wes from last year. Knife that I have. This guy had a surgery done last fall. He just sits there and holds this IH. It's off a hat I have. That's all he does. Just sits there. Here's my MOD skull. Here's something you guys probably haven't seen. Can't get it out. This is all handmade too by an Indian. My grandpa used to travel a lot. Can't remember which state he was in when you bought this, but you bought this entire thing. This is all handmade. Even the blade and handle. All handmade. This will not be there with me. This is too valuable. I paid only $11 for this thing, it says on the back. That just sits here along with the rest of my knives. Knives go right here. My John Deere, my Ertl lettered, styled letter set. Sunglasses, my Mustang. Also sunglasses are up there. Other hats. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the farm day. Keep you guys updated, and through this week we have me and my dad's already called me. He said today you got spot reserved at Black Hawk Campground in Black Hawk, Wisconsin. I'll show you guys what we'll be traveling in. It's my dad's truck. Nothing special. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys at the farm day. Hope to meet some of you guys as well. And I'll catch you guys next video. Hopefully next video will be at the farm day. If not, well, who knows.